Hi there. How'd you do last month? Looking inward and exploring your shadow side. I hope clear quartz helped illuminate the way for you and you lightened your load a bit. I'm Saralee Hofrichter of SaraleeHofrichter.com, and this month when I sat quietly with my beautiful cards and asked what is the most important thing for us to know for the month of April 2026, I pulled what I call a cycle of life card, which is a court card in traditional tarot. And it's the sprout, can you see? Sprout of Water Charoite, which is the Prince or Knight of Cups in traditional tarot. So one of the reasons I asked how you did last month is that this card this month is telling us that now that we did some of the inner work, it's time to take action with what we learned from that process. So think about a lesson that you may have gained some insight in about over the past month. Really bring that up to your conscious mind. Now it's time to follow your heart. Be vulnerable, stay patient, and take a step toward advancing this insight. Bring your charm, your sense of beauty, creativity, open heart, and intuition, and gracefully take the steps necessary to turn your vision into reality. Our crystal ally that's going to help guide us on our journey this month is Charoite. This beautiful purple gem. And her message is directly from her lips. Well, not really directly from her lips, but from her soul, is: lean in closely as I whisper my message of love and peace to you. I am spirit-filled and bring this pureness of being to you and all who come to me. I speak directly and truthfully to you. Stay grounded and present in your body as you access my energy. I will help you confront your stuff, release it, and reveal your highest path of service in the world. Lean on me, use me. It gives me great pleasure to see you succeed. How wonderful. I would love to hear about your insights and plans if you care to share them with me. I find you so inspiring, and may Charoite guide you on your path, and may it be filled with ease and grace. Many, many blessings to you. Lots of love. Take good care. Bye. Hi again. I'm popping back on because I forgot to tell you something important that I wanted to share with you. My Crystal Nature Tarot deck, which is the deck that I use every month to do these readings, is on sale for 20% off. It's a great time for you to take advantage, and I'd love to share them with you and get them out in the world in a bigger way. So not only does it include, see if I can do this, the deck, which is a traditional tarot deck that I've converted into the elements. It includes the guidebook, a beautiful guidebook that the messages are shared of the crystals and the stories for each suit. And it includes all these beautiful crystals that you can work directly with when you pull a card. So pop on over to SaraleeHofrichter.com. Go to my shop and take advantage of the Crystal Nature Tarot deck at 20% off. Woo!